Freemax ProMesh. That's what we're talking about.
This tank is the Freemax ProMesh. As you can guess from the name, it's a pro tank. No, I'm kidding.
It's a pro.
It's got a mesh coil, which is really its claim to fame. This is a flavor tank, and if you like flavor like I do, you're gonna love this tank. Now this is the big brother to the original Freemax mesh tank. We did a review of that. You probably shouldn't watch it. It's
probably
awful.
not.
But if you do want to see it, there's a little tag right up here that you can click on.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is way better than that. This tank is huge. It can hold 5 millimeters of sauce.
5 whole millimeters of sauce.
Milliliters of sauce. And the hit on it is just as big as the tank, and the flavor is even bigger.
When you're talking about tanks, you pretty much got to talk about flavor, hit, and
design,
and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, and then price. So let's talk about flavor. Scale of 1 to 10, Nate.
Scale of 1 to 10. Fucking out of all the tanks I've ever used, like 9.
It really is. Now the hit is extraordinary.
Yeah.
We're hitting with 3 Nick. Yeah, and super smooth. Like,
so smooth.
And the flavor is incredible.
Yeah.
And the cloud production is
great.
Through the roof. Like, we're only at 66.6 watts, and it's a 0.182 ohm coil.
Yeah.
So, it's not up there, but that's a fat hit. Like,
oh yeah, I could trick on this baby all day long.
Yeah, it's dense, which is cool. Like the original Freemax was not dense at all. It tasted really good.
It tasted great.
And it was a big cloud, but it was not a dense cloud.
Yeah.
And now the design.
The design, it's the design does the job.
Right.
What the design is best with is that the coils are designed to be really fucking good.
Yeah.
That's
the
key. They are all about, and what we're all about, they're the same. They're about what we're about, which is function over looks.
Exactly.
Their looks, they're pretty good.
They work.
There's nothing wrong with it.
And
it's got a unique little design on there.
Yeah, and hey, props to you guys for how it fills up. You just slide the top.
Yes, that is a great design.
That's like the new thing.
Functional.
I love it. It's very functional. You don't have to unscrew it. And it's a little sharp, and the colors are weird, but who cares? I mean, you've got a killer flavor, and it's a great little hit.
Word of the day is functional.
Yeah.
Functional. All right, but overall, all in all,
it's a nice tank.
It's a great tank.
And for the price, it's killer.
Yeah, so the price for this device, $24.95. Pretty good price for a tank.
Yeah. Especially one that delivers. Like, smock tanks are priced around there, maybe a little bit more.
Maybe,
and they're not as good.
They're not as good.
You're paying for the name.
Smock is kind of like a designer brand at this point, but
and the coils are nice.
We're kind of smock haters right now.
I mean, the mods
are
really
the
nice.
mods,
Mods are nice. Tanks.
Mods are nice. They just don't do a good job with their coils. You never know what you're gonna get when you get a smock coil. Unfortunately. I want to shout out Mike from 8 Vape for sending us this tank right here. We really appreciate it, and it really helps us out. So
hey, and
if you're watching, thank you.
Yeah, so head on over to 8 Vape and check out their selection. They got a wide selection of shit, and they're usually the links we provide for you because they have like the best prices and a huge selection.
The first place we look whenever we go to buy vapes is 8 Vape because we know they more often than not they have the best price. So seriously, that's where we go, and I think that's where you guys should go too.
Yep. So go there, go to the subscribe button. And
go to the like button.
And go to the comment section. And peace out.
Till next time.
Peace out.